Hey everybody, Nick here, and today we got a little bit of disassembly and maintenance to do on this little guy right here. This is the Spyderco Waterway here in LC200N steel. So let's go on ahead and start off by taking this little guy apart. So let's go ahead and loosen the pivot. Wait, where's the pivot? This, what? It's like you can't even tell where the pivot is. Okay, I'll take off the handle screw. There were no... I can't find the screws. Okay, there we go. All right, so we must be disassembled here. All right, there we're back on the train here. So let's go on ahead and clean this little guy off. Make sure that all of the various detritus that it is exposed to, and clean out the old lubrication from the factory. Yep, there we go. That's the ticket. So go ahead and wipe this off. Some 91% rubbing alcohol, and go ahead and clean off the handle here. Oh, yeah, we're making progress here. This is looking great. So yeah, that. Now that we've got it all cleaned out, I guess we can put it back together. I've got my my 10 weight nano oil here, so we'll go on ahead and lubricate the. Where do I put the lubricant? How do I over lubricate this? There's no place to lubricate. Okay, so we're going to go on ahead and lubricate the spider hole here. That makes sense, right? Okay, there we go. We're oh, man, the action is just so much better now. It flies through like the blade just is a continuous chunk of metal. All right, and there we go. We are all reassembled. They're perfectly maintained, and my soul hurts, and I hope that this has been interesting to you, and that you have a much less confusing rest of your day than the last 2 minutes and 14 seconds were for me. Keep an eye out for the full review of this in a little while here, and have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Where's the pivot? Okay, bye now.